Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my video. This is car haul number 110, and I do appreciate you being with us today. We're going to go over these cars I have right here in front of me. Some of these are doubles, so this will probably be a pretty short video. And I'm not going to open up the blister packs because I'm going to try to resell these or trade them or do something with them. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on these. I'm going to start with this one on the front. And I do have 3 of these. Here's 2 more in the back right here. These are Chevron cars. They're I think commemorative cars, of course, commemorative. I was thinking that these are cars of yesteryear, but it doesn't say that anywhere on here. But anyway, pretty cool looking thing. Standard oil announcer. Here's the megaphone on top. Pretty nice truck here. I like it. Now I don't really want to open these up and take them out, but we're just going to give you the best view that we can on these. Here's the side of it. Here's the back. Here's this side. Pretty cool car. Like I said, I got 3 of these. Let me put this one down right here. 3 of these total. So these are going to be going to some lucky person in the future. Put these aside right here. While we're doing these, let's go ahead and do these right here. Whoops. This one. This one is going to be no problem taking out a container because it, as you see, it just fell out. This is another Chevron commemorative. I like this truck. Old truck. Here's the bottom of it. Come on, focus. There we go. Made by Ledo. L-L-E-D-O. This box that came in. Zero Lean. Nice looking truck. Just slide that back into this package right here. Here's the second one. And this package is obviously a lot better than the first one. So let's go ahead and look at this package. There you go. 1911 chain drive tank truck. There's more information on the back. There you go. And on the side. Pretty cool truck. Put these aside with the other ones. And let's look at these 2 right here. Atlas tires. There we go. Another nice looking truck by Ledo. Atlas tire truck. Here's the information on the back. And this side. Pretty nice truck. I like the color on this one. And like I said, I do have 2 of these. So I'm going to put these in a stack over here. The last 2 in this type of truck, we have these right here. So I'm just going to put one down. See this truck out here. Horse-drawn oil company truck, wagon. Standard tank wagon. Here's this side. Let's look at the back right here. Okay, anyway, pretty cool. Put those aside right here. Just because this is on top, we're going to look at this one next. Now, this is made by Lexani Toys right here. First time I've ever seen this maker, but it's a really, really nice looking car. 54 Bel Air convertible. Here's the back of it. There we go. Here's the front. I know it's kind of hard to tell. Look at the grill on that. That's really, really cool. Interior, two-tone interior. Steering wheel is chrome. Very, very nice vehicle. Can't see the bottom. And it has like a wheel hubcap. What's that for? I'm not sure. I don't want to open this thing up. It might be a keychain. It might just be some kind of a spinner. I'm not sure. But very, very cool vehicle right here. Here's the back of it. There we go. Pretty cool. I'm going to put this one aside. I do like this car. This one's going to stay in the package. Look at the wheels on this. Very, very cool wheels. Here we go. We have a... This is made by Luxury Diecast Collection Player? Is that the name of it? Players. Right here on the top. Has a card that says Maisto. 6 of hearts. That's another nice looking car. I like the wheels on this one also. Here's the back of it. In the front. Sunroof. Two-tone interior. Very nice car, featuring a player's collectible playing card. Probably cost a fortune to get the whole deck. Anyway, put this one aside. We have a Chicago Cubs White Rose Collectibles made by Fleer. Fleer is the card. So if you're a Cubs fan, you might want this thing. Here's the side of the box. Here's this side. Sammy Sosa playing card. It's got 38 cars in this series. This is the PT Cruiser, of course. There we go. Let's go back to the car. Check that out. Those wheels look good on here too. Good looking car. So if you're a Chicago Cubs fan, Sammy Sosa fan, this might be just what you want. Okay, now we're going to go to this 4-pack that I have. They're in this nice blister pack. I don't have the box for it that they originally came in. And they are taped, so I'm going to cut the tape on these right here. Just one side. Pull these out one at a time. We'll start with this one. Pepsi Cola. Very, very nice truck. I know that's going to be hard to read. Nice Pepsi delivery truck. No particular reason, but we're just going to take this one next. More bounce to the ounce. Top of the delivery van right here. These are rubber tires. See if I can get a close up on the interior right there. Go with this one next. This might be my favorite one in the whole batch. This gold and black one. Get a little bit. There we go. Nice details. And the last one. More bounce to the ounce. Nice looking Pepsi diecast cars. Here's the bottom. Made in China. Can't read who that maker is. Maybe you can. It has 3 rivets in it. Anyway, close this one back up. And I know somebody's going to want that set too. This is Carl. This is car haul number 110, and I do appreciate you being with us tonight.